Hi, my name's Nyla, and I'm really pleased to be able to give you details of this, our third in our series of intuitive development workshops that Jonathan and I are running. The workshop will be held in London, and in this workshop we're going to be focusing on mediumship from the perspective of bringing through evidence and messages from loved ones who have passed. It's often called proof of life mediumship, i.e. proof that life continues in the spirit world. Now, I discovered that I had the ability to bring through evidence of loved ones who'd passed quite by accident. I was giving healing to a friend of mine, and throughout the healing session the words ginger biscuits kept coming up time and time again. It was so persistent that at the end of the healing session I asked my friend, "Do the words ginger biscuits mean anything to you?" She was delighted. She then told me that ginger biscuits were the favourite of her sister who had passed away many years ago, and every week she herself goes and buys ginger biscuits, takes them to her mother's house, and they both enjoy them together in honour of her sister. She was so happy and so comforted to know that her sister was close by. So in this workshop we're going to give you the chance to develop your mediumship skills, and by the end of the day you'll be able to give mini mediumship sittings to your friends and family. So throughout the workshop we'll learn how to prepare to work in this way, with focus given to your energy management. We'll learn how to connect key members of your spirit team, centre yourself in your heart, and bring through high quality mediumship evidence. So we'll look at what mediumship readings, known as sittings, are, and what they should consist of and should not include. More importantly, we'll look at what the role and responsibilities of a medium are. We'll then go on to look at how to make the connection to spirit people, how to identify who they are, and how to bring through evidence of your connection to the person that you're doing the sitting for. We'll focus on what constitutes evidence in a mediumship sitting and how to know when sufficient evidence has been offered so that you can then move on to delivering the message that the spirit person wants to convey. Throughout the day there will be group discussions and practical exercises for you to practice your mediumship in a safe and supportive environment, giving you the chance to build your confidence in your ability to connect to spirit people. You'll also take away with you a report on your energy, giving you a clearer indication of your strongest internal senses, those ones that you'll be using to work mediumistically. The workshop is hosted by the School of Intuition and Healing in Kentish Town in London, and more details on the workshop and how to book are given in the link below. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you at the workshop very soon. Bye bye now.